In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and publish a welcome message in Messenger. To get started, open your platform dashboard and head to the automation section. From there, look for default reply and welcome message. In some layouts, you may also find this under channels, then Messenger. Both paths lead you to the same place, so if your screen looks a little different, don't worry. The goal here is simply to reach the Messenger welcome message settings. Once you're in the right area, click on Welcome Message. This is the section that controls the first automated message people can receive when they start interacting with your Messenger channel. Setting this up properly is important because it helps create a strong first impression and gives people immediate guidance on what to do next. After opening the welcome message settings, you'll be asked to choose a flow. At this stage, you can either select an existing flow or create a new one. If you already have a flow built and it matches the type of greeting or introduction you want to send, selecting an existing one can save time. If not, go ahead and create a new flow so you can tailor the experience more precisely to your audience. Next, edit the message content inside that flow. Make sure the wording is clear, friendly, and aligned with the purpose of your page or business. A good welcome message usually sets expectations, introduces what kind of help is available, and encourages the user to take the next step. As you review the message, pay attention to tone and readability. Since this is often the first thing someone sees, it should feel polished and easy to understand. When your message looks the way you want, click Publish. Publishing ensures that your latest edits are saved and ready to go live. This is a step people sometimes overlook, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Finally, make sure the trigger is toggled to enabled. This part is essential because even a well-written and fully published welcome flow won't activate unless the trigger is turned on. Once it's enabled, your welcome message is set up and ready to respond automatically when users begin interacting through Messenger. That's it. With just a few quick settings, you can create a smoother, more professional introduction for anyone contacting you through Messenger.